Okay, so welcome back. So for this video, solve natin itong lab na user ID controlled by request parameter. So this lab has a horizontal privilege escalation vulnerability on the user account page. So to solve the lab, obtain the API key for the user Carlos and submit it as the solution. So meron tayong credentials, winner, and Peter. So punta natin yung lab, tingnan natin, punta tayo sa my account, and login natin yung winner, Peter na credentials natin. And see here na meron tayong username winner and API key na mahabang string, no? So, makikita rin natin sa request parameter natin na we have my account ID equals winner. So, what if we change these to Carlos, no? And to our surprise, na-access natin yung profile ni Carlos and nakita natin yung API key niya. So, we can just simply submit this as the answer and we have solved the lab. Okay? So, I hope na-guess nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.